worried about losing your important files, and thinking about using Backblaze for cloud backup? I tested it thoroughly, and here's what you need to know before signing up. Backblaze is a personal cloud backup solution designed to automatically back up all of your files. Most people get this wrong. They assume it only backs up documents, but it actually covers everything: photos, videos, documents, and even hidden system files. Installation is simple. Download the app, install it on your computer, and let it run in the background. Backblaze automatically starts backing up your data without complicated setup. I tested this on both Windows and Mac, and the interface is clean and user-friendly. One of the biggest advantages is unlimited storage. You can back up as much data as you want without worrying about paying for extra space. Upload speeds were solid on my standard internet connection, and incremental backups ensure only new or changed files are updated. The surprising truth is that restoring files is extremely easy. You can restore individual files from the web portal or request a physical USB drive. If you need a large recovery, Backblaze will ship it to your door. There are a few downsides. Backblaze doesn't offer file syncing like Dropbox or Google Drive. You can't easily access files from multiple devices without downloading them. Also, the service requires an ongoing subscription, though the pricing is very competitive for unlimited storage. In conclusion, Backblaze is perfect for anyone who wants hassle-free, reliable backup for their personal computer. It's simple to use, offers unlimited storage, and ensures peace of mind if your device fails or data is lost. Subscribe for more cloud storage reviews, backup tips, and ways to protect your digital life effortlessly.